Welcome to Walk Through Wednesdays with the Chamber. Today we are at 2.5 Cups Cupcakery and Bake Shop located at 126 South Central Avenue. Let's see what they're baking. This business opened in 2013. They were the winner of a downtown bakery contest called Baker Battle. Since then, they have expanded their services. They have everything from over 200 cupcake flavors, custom cakes. We have pie, cheesecake, chocolates, you name it, they have it all here. They even have party supplies for your next party. So stop in, check them out, and have a cupcake. Thank you for joining me today at 2.5 Cups Cupcakery and Bake Shop located at 126 South Central Avenue. They're open from Tuesday through Saturday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Have a great day.